If you've been wondering how to turn off the custom scroll bar in Microsoft Edge, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you the exact steps to find the setting and disable it, so your browser scroll bar looks and behaves the way you want. This is a simple fix, but it can make a big difference if you prefer a cleaner, more traditional browsing experience. If this video helps, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Once Edge is open, look to the top right corner of the browser and click the three-dot menu. From there, select Settings. This is where you can customize how Edge looks and functions. Inside the Settings menu, find and click Appearance. This section controls visual options for the browser, including themes, layout, and other interface settings. Now scroll until you see Browser Behavior and Features. Click on that option to open the related settings. In this area, you'll find the toggle for the custom scroll bar. If the custom scroll bar is currently enabled, turn it off by switching the toggle. In some versions of Edge, the option may appear as a setting you need to disable rather than enable, so just look for the custom scroll bar control and make sure it is set to the off position. Once you do that, the change should apply right away, and your browser scroll bar will go back to the default style. If you don't see the change immediately, refresh the browser or close and reopen Edge to make sure the setting updates properly. And that's it. You've successfully turned off the custom scroll bar in Edge in just a few clicks. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful browser tips, Windows tutorials, and simple step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.